1972, this state, as you all know, was carved out of the erstwhile state of Assam. We pay tribute to visionary leaders and countless individuals who worked relentlessly to secure a separate hill state, grounded in the aspiration, identity, and rights of its people. Their efforts laid the foundation for a state that reflects the district cultural, social, and historical character of its indigenous community. Over the past 5 decades, Meghalaya has made a steady progress across various sectors, while preserving its unique heritage, tradition, and ecological richness. Our state stands apart from its vibrant cultural diversity, strong community institution, and extraordinary natural landscape. As citizens, we share a collective responsibility to contribute to its growth. This includes safeguarding our environment, upholding our cultural values, strengthening social harmony, and participating actively in the democratic and development process of the state. As we look ahead, let us recommit ourselves to the sustainable growth that balances economic progress with environmental conservation, ensuring that the future generation inherits a state that is prosperous, inclusive, and resilient.
See cha ban đêm cha si ru kim la quay cái lo thân hình rây lu du kha ya kita kishin minta kun kari nang ai sim tha kapet khat nginom lim dei hati nu la gertia simpeling ubau klem ka hot klem ka hot klem ka shisha la pun sin iman klo kariang I ka khot và đây ta chính mi nát nhiên sa cho chính đúng kawan raya senya ban klem dan maka klur kinom pau satya hasan bening